There are plenty of ways to make money online. Start a blog, sell products as an affiliate, write articles, do webinar training, and much more. Let's focus on the most realistic options. Blogging is one of the easiest and most sustainable online income sources. It all starts in the decision of choosing a good niche. Use WordPress or other free platforms to build up your website. You don't need to be a programmer. After you get traffic, choose a monetization strategy and make a profit. For example, you place ads from Google AdSense or promote products from companies and get a commission from every sale. This is an affiliate marketing in simple words. You can make it without a website as well. A Facebook page or a YouTube channel is enough. For instance, offer your audience the ability to book a hotel on Booking.com and get 4% from each reservation. In Travel Payouts Affiliate Network, you will find Booking.com, Get Your Guide, Discover Cars, Trip.com, and more than 30 other travel-related affiliate programs. Webinars are one of the best ways you can make an exorbitant amount of money online. All you need is an audience to train and knowledge in the niche that you are talking about. CourseRA.org and similar platforms will help you to find the right audience. Selling your own services online is one more option to make money on the internet. You can write articles, sell photos, make voiceover, and monetize any other skills. Fiverr and Upwork.com are the platforms where you can find your first buyers today. If you're ready to enter the online money-making fray, start your way with the Travel Payouts Affiliate Network and earn online on travel services.